everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get Runic Enchant Stone in Fish It. So in Fish It has a unique enchant stone that called Runic Enchant Stone, and this is what it looks like. It looks like this. Wait, this one. It has a red color with the cool designs like this. You can see it. And this is a secret tier enchant stone, so getting one can be pretty difficult. Because of that, I highly recommend using your best fishing rod to maximize your chance. And how do you get it? It's actually pretty simple. All you need to do is keep fishing in the underwater city or sewer like this area, underwater city or the sewer, and you can fish around this. Just keep fishing on this area until the unique enchant stone drops, and once you get one, you can use it to roll powerful enchants like maybe including Forgotten Hunters and other strong enchants. And okay, that's it. That's how you can get the unique enchant stone in Fish It. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.